All right, I'm gonna show you how to fix a light bulb that will not come on a garage door opener. Quick, simple fix. You need to make sure you unplug this unit. All right, so they said they changed the light bulb, it still doesn't work, so we're gonna go ahead and remove this. Now, this thing is fully corroded. You can definitely change this piece out, and I will do that. Again, you unplug the unit so that you're not gonna get any sparks or pops and flashes in your face, but right inside here, there are two contacts. One of them looks to be pretty burned out in the bottom. Right in there's a contact, and right here. Okay, so if I wasn't gonna change this, assuming this isn't burned out the way it is, and yours is not, you're just gonna take a flathead, put it underneath this contact and bend it up. Okay, bend it up like that so the end of the bulb can touch it. It's flathead in here, same concept, you're gonna bend it up also. Both of these are bent. Again, I'm gonna change this out, I just want to show you, see if it'll work when I plug it in. So, go ahead and put the light in, and the back of this should touch those contacts now, since I bent them outward. Like that. Now let's plug it in and see what happens. Bam, there we go. Light's fixed. That's a quick, easy way to fix your light that's not working again. In this scenario, I'm gonna change that piece out. It is corroded. This motor is on the beach side, so there's a lot of corrosion. But the only point of this video right now is just to show you how to fix these light fixtures on your motor, quick and easy with a flathead. Go in there, pull the contacts out, and connect your light bulb to it. Thank you.